Hello everyone. So today we will understand the basic difference between NETWORKDAY.INTL formula and NETWORKDAY formula. So basically the difference is whenever you count your working day by NETWORKDAY formula, that time the weekends are considered as Saturday and Sunday. But whenever you count your work day by NETWORKDAY.INTL, that time this depends on you that what weekend are you want to choose. So this is how we can differentiate this both formula. So let's solve one example so that everyone clear with this difference. We will write equal to networkday.intl tab. Now I need to select start date, comma. Now I need to select end date, comma. Now I need to select weekend like that Sunday or Saturday, Sunday or Monday, Monday or Tuesday, or we can have Sunday only, Monday only. So this is how we can differ. Let's choose Sunday and Monday as a weekend. Tab. Now press enter. So working day counts as 131. Now we will calculate this by network day formula. We will write equal to network day tab. We need to select start date, comma. Now I need to select end date. Now press enter. So the net work day comes as 131, but here the weekends are considered as Saturday and Sunday. Now I will drag this formula other column. So this is how we can use this both formula on the basis of different condition. Thank you so much for watching my videos.